You know where we came from. This is where we're coming to now. So, this is more my style. This is the Airbnb we're staying at. Michelle, you got the code?
Yeah.
So let's go take a look at it, see what it looks like.
All right, so you get the first look.
Oop, had a few spider webs there. Oh, wow.
It's pretty nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Not too
Beautiful
shabby.
fireplace. Let's see if we can find some more light.
Yeah.
And sorry, I don't have a mic system going right at the moment. That's not it. That's not it.
There we go.
Well, I don't know what hit it. But there you go. Now there's some hospitality. Welcome, McLaughlin's.
Yeah.
There you go.
What's upstairs?
Little refrigerator. We'll take a walk upstairs. We've got an oven in the corner.
That's not going to be used.
We're not going to be here long enough to use it. So let's take a walk up the steps here. Take a look what we got here. Oh, we get a light switch here. I'm not sure what this is. I've got some remotes sitting here, probably for the fan. Nice little cozy bedroom, much bigger than where we came from. This would be our bathroom, I'm sure. We'll have to look for some lights for it here at some point, but I'm sure there's some in there. We'll find some. Oh, this might be our switches right here. Nope, that's for the hallway. The remote's going to be for the fan. All right, I'll have to look around and see what I can find for lights up here, but overall, that's a thermostat, remote. Where are you at there, darling?
Right here, right here.
Speak up, because we ain't got no mics on. We're not used to this. So, what do you think of this place?
Nice little place.
Yeah.
It's certainly in the middle of bloody nowhere.
Good, just the way I like it.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a good thing.
All right, guys, we'll catch up with you in a little bit. Okay, guys, I just wanted you probably seen in that video from Richmond when we left out where we were staying. I was gonna do this in the morning, but it's supposed to be pouring down rain a chance in the morning, and we've got a great trail we're gonna go ride. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna load up from here and drive over to a trailhead and ride that trail, and we're going to check out of here before we do. So this might be the only chance I have to show you where we're staying this time, as opposed to last night where we stayed. What an extreme difference we're talking about here. This is our driveway right here, and so I just grabbed one of the cameras and slapped it onto the handlebars to go ahead and get this, because we still got to get out there and get something to eat for the evening. But just this contrast really kind of made me laugh. But I can tell you, I am much more at home in a place like this right here than in the city. This is the type of places that I've lived majority of my life. And that's my driveway for the night. But like I say, we'll be pulling out of here in the morning, going and parking on a trailhead, and we're gonna ride another trail. So I think what we'll do is we'll catch up to you when we go find out where we're gonna go to eat. Okay guys, we came to, where are we, Michelle?
Farmville, oh, Charlie's Waterfront Grill.
Charlie's Waterfront Cafe. And we got the outdoor seating. Pretty nice. And this is the waterfront we're dealing with. So I think Michelle got a French onion, or no, I got French onion soup and a side salad, and Michelle got a, what'd you get, Caesar salad?
No, chef salad.
Or a chef salad. I thought you got Caesar salad.
No, Caesar salad has cheese on it.
Okay. I don't know if you can see him or not, but this squirrel has come and joined us for dinner tonight. Somebody left a pack of cigarettes up there that he's been eyeballing for a while now. He's kind of behind that chair. Here he comes. So we're going to see if he's going to get the smokes.
That's our little Charlie squirrel. Somebody gave him some French fries one day, and
he ain't never left since.
Yeah.
Well,
Well, your French fries must be good then.
They really are.
Well, he keeps eyeballing the cigarettes over there.
Everything we need at the moment?
Yes, dear,
Yep,
thank you.
yep. So, I got a side salad, French onion soup. Michelle got a
Chef salad, big
chef
baguette.
salad and some bread. Y'all can stay away, we're digging in. Well, everything was great. Beautiful on the front. We're parked around the back. That's sure different from the front, but who cares? The food was, hold on. Woo! There you go. The food was great. We're going back to the house. Well, good morning, guys. This might interfere with our day of riding. We'll see what we can salvage. Well, things are looking up a little bit. The rain has quit. Sorta, kinda, for the most part. But I think we're going to get a ride in. We might have to make it a little shorter because we're maybe going to be leaving a little later, but I bet we're going to get this ride in.
Well, here we are. We left the cabin this morning in pouring down rain, And we are going to try to at least get part of this High Bridge River Trail ridden today. Specifically, Blaine, the High Bridge part, correct?
Well, that's what I'm shooting for.
So
I don't know. You know, when I think about this kind of weather, being out in it, I've spent so much time in it.
We've been a little bit frantic trying to find the closest trail to the bridge, and it has led us down lots of back roads. Right now we're on some gravel road right now, so stay tuned, folks. This might be interesting. Well, guys, here we are. We have made it. We just went through a fiasco trying to get the parking payment, and we're making our way slowly. Yeah, Blaine.
Well, okay, this is it right here. Are you with me?
Yeah, there's the trail, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. All right. Where are we parking?
Well,
You gotta go to the parking lot, dear.
I am going to...
Where is the parking lot? Ah, there we go, right there. Oops.
Okay. Are you with me, Michelle, or are you gonna...
No, I'm not with you,
pass
darling.
on this one?
I'm gonna pass on this one, but I will
right.
be with you in spirit. See, Southern E-Biking's got the whole parking area. There's one other vehicle here, and it's probably a park ranger.
All right, so I think we should be able to get out of here with no problem.
Yeah.
I'm going to back up here pretty close. If you want to...
I will.
I'm not using microphones today. I'll have to see what we can do to line this all up with sound equipment. But you can feel me unloading the bike.
Yeah, okay.
And I'll talk loud.
Talk real loud.
First and foremost, our handlebar covers.
Custom made by Southern E-Biking
Beautiful.
himself.
I will let you take care of that when
Yep.
I get gone.
Blaine, I'm going. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm going.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
All right. So we got a half a mile run to get down here. And Michelle is with me. Well, I see some construction barrels down here. Don't tell me it's closed. That'd be a bummer, wouldn't it? So Michelle's with me, but she's not mic'd up, so you won't be able to hear her. She decided at the last second to give this a shot. That caution tape does not go all the way across, so we will make it around. Right about now, I wish I had a front fender on this bike. I'm betting you guys, oh, here's where that guy was looking at, Michelle. Here's the Welcome Center. Yeah, I'm betting we're gonna get some drops, but I will try and clear them before we head across the bridge. So, all right about now, while I'm heading down here, I'm gonna tell y'all about the back in the day photo. Now what I want you to notice here is this horse that is not saddled. I'm actually working him. It looks like he's probably an unbroke colt, but what I want you to see is, look at the ground. The horse that I'm riding, he was a good stud horse of mine, but look at the ground right there, guys. That's about 6 inches deep of mud. And I did a lot of working in that. Everybody says, oh, you're a cowboy working out in nature. Oh, that's so fortunate of you. Yeah, they don't think about this kind of stuff right here. So that is the reason I do not like to go out in bad weather, because I spent enough time where I had to go into it. So I am amazed Michelle is headed across this thing. Holy cow. And here we go. I'm gonna wipe off the lens. Can I come by you okay?
Do it, man.
This is cool. It would be much cooler in better weather. Well, it's cool all right, as in cool temperatures. Sorry about the raindrops, guys. I'll take care of them as I can. But by golly, we wanted to ride this one right here. It's a nice long trestle. We're gonna pop a picture of the trestle from the ground. In here, let you see it, what we're going across right now. But there was no way I was going to miss this one. Not while we were right here. This was a grand finale of our road trip. This is the one that I've been looking forward to, is just this bridge. Just this bridge. And what I'm going to have to do here is find out how long this bridge is, because it's quite long. By the way, Adventures on e-bikes, here's one you need. Beautiful, beautiful bridge. And there you go. Why, you could even picnic on this side of the bridge. Now we are going to head back across, wipe off the camera. Sorry about the smudges and the smears. Best I can do on a notice like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take it a little bit slower. We'll maybe just turn off the electric and see if I can maybe, when I get up here to this pull-off, yeah, like I'm blocking so many people. When I get up to here at this little overlook, I'm going to see if I can take my shirt and wipe off the camera a little bit for you. And then we will take another look at the overlook. You get to see my smiling mug for a second here. I hope this thing is not smearing. I'm really hoping this comes out, because this is a long way to drive to come back for another one. This is our high bridge, guys. It is stunning. Looked like it was at one time probably a double track railroad come through here. The rest of this trail is going to be your typical rail trail. But this one here, let's cut this off. Try and keep this slow, and really hoping that the camera doesn't get spotted or smeared. But I gotta tell you, this is really, really cool. I think without the rain, Michelle might have made it across here, especially if we were riding this trail. I believe she could make it. She might have to step off and walk across, but I believe she would make it if she knew we were going the rest of the way. I'm not so sure if she knows we're turning around on that side and coming right back. She said, nothing over there that I need to see. But this is just, man, this is what biking is for. This is what biking is for. Well, got some spy glasses set up there, but you can't see anything. I got a couple of spots. So I'm gonna hopefully get rid of them and not get too much oil on the lens from my fingers. Like I say, I'm trying to keep it slow so that the water doesn't kick up from my tires and hit, but it is some sprinkling some rain in here. Holy cow, Michelle is out there taking a peek over. And we are right over top. I will stop up here at this overlook. Looks like the river's got a little flooding going on with it right now. I'm going to stop at this overlook and let you guys take a peek at the river. And
Oh, was it spectacular?
it is. It is. We're going to try and wipe this off one more time here. There you go, guys. And we got a squirrel out there on the railroad, on the bridge, getting him a nut. Yeah, look at all the... that's rivets there in the center. I thought you had a bunch of them there. But what a gorgeous bridge. So, hey, let me get over here where Michelle would pick up some sound too, because it looks like the camera's lens is pretty clear this time. We've already had a drop on a couple of our
my
videos.
glasses aren't.
Mine aren't either. But you know what? This is the finale of our August 2023 road trip, and really, truly, and sincerely from Mrs. Southern E-Biking and myself, we hope you guys are all safe, happy, healthy, and enjoyed these videos on this road trip. We're going to catch you on the next one, and we'll be going over some things that maybe we could have learned, maybe we learned and we'll improve. We're going to improve for the next time. So if you like these videos, share them with your friends, tell everybody about them, hit the like, hit the share, and hit the bell, and hit the subscribe. And from right here on the High Bridge in Rice, Virginia, this is Southern E-Biking, and
This is Southern E-Biking.
And we're telling them what?
Don't ask me, Dad. I'm high on a bridge, dude.
Stay safe, God bless, and keep the wheels turning. Once again,
Okay. They're lucky I'm not slobbering at this point, you know.
Once again, we are
Out.
out of here.